Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing okay. Just stopping off at Dave's. We're going to go down for a coffee to this new cafe that's opened. It's a little earlier than normal. It's going to get to 100 degrees this afternoon, so want to get out there while it's still relatively cool. Morning. CC's Moto Café, that's on the east side of Portland, has just opened a new cafe in Newberg. Just a great location, so wish them all the very best with this new place, and we're just going to go down and visit. It's been open probably about a week or so now, and we're taking the back roads. By the time you watch this, there will have been a couple more visitors to the cul-de-sac, and I hope you've enjoyed those very much. Did you like the contrast between the Hurricane from Britain and America, and also the Honda CB754K4? That was an amazing bike. And thanks for all your great comments as usual, really appreciate it. Yeah, my valves need adjusting. I don't know if you can hear them tapping away. Need to work on that. It's a lovely, lovely day today. Lovely scenery. It's going to be 100 degrees this afternoon, so we're out a little earlier than normal. I think it was 8:30 a.m. when we set off. Don't you just love it when the cars go? Brakes are also squeaking. That's another job. So this is Newberg, Oregon. It's growing. This was a really small place when we first came here. There's a lot of folks that live here and travel and commute into Portland, I guess, and Beaverton and some of the bigger companies there. It's very nice. This is a smart move by CC's. I hope it pays off for them. I think that was probably the right way to enter. That's cool. And electric bikes, Cake. Oh yeah, I've heard that name. Light, quiet and clean.
Can I have a 16-ounce latte, please? Hot, please, yeah.
Is that over here?
It is, yeah. Just outside. And then
Pull it out over here.
Okay, great. And a Coke as well, please. Do you have a Coke?
Coke, you said?
Yeah, thank you.
You want a cup of ice for that?
Sure, yeah, thank you. Actually, make it 2, please. 2 Cokes, yeah, thank you.
How's the day going so far?
Good, very good, thanks. Yeah, very good.
Good. Thanks for stopping in.
My pleasure. Congratulations on the new place.
Thank you. It's been a really good opening.
Yeah,
People seem to really enjoying it.
It's a great location, especially if you're on the west side, you know?
Yeah,
you know?
Definitely. I grew up in Newburgh, and I would have loved to have a place like this
Oh,
when I was
cool.
younger.
Yeah, it's very cool, yeah. Wow, turned into a bike show.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, that looks nice. Oh. It's like I needed caffeine or something today. I don't know what that was.
Are you gonna be awake?
I will. I know. I will in about 20 minutes.
You won't even need to kickstart the bike. You're just gonna pedal.
It's cool. That was a nice ride, Dave.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it very much.
That smells. Oof. That was not water they were squirting on that crop. Whew. Whew. Let's just say I'm glad this isn't smelly vision. We are just arriving in St. Paul. Just a very small town that I suspect sort of quadruples in size as we get to 4th of July. It's famous for its rodeo here, St. Paul Rodeo. And my family and I have been coming here for years, just until recently. Of course, it was cancelled this year, but it's just a fabulous event. All kinds of spectacular events. True Americana. Oh, I'm gonna take a left here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Thanks as always for watching and subscribing. Take care of yourselves.